Hey there, food lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic French dish that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner. It's none other than the delicious and timeless Quiche Lorraine. First things first, let's talk about the ingredients. You'll need 1 store-bought pie crust, 6 slices of crispy bacon, 1 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese, 3 large eggs, 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream, and a pinch of nutmeg. Oh, and don't forget salt and pepper to taste. Alright, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, roll out your pie crust and press it into a 9-inch pie dish. Make sure to trim off any excess dough hanging over the edges. Now, let's blind bake that crust. Place a piece of parchment paper over the crust and fill it with pie weights or dry beans. Pop it into the oven for about 15 minutes. This ensures a nice crispy bottom. While the crust is baking, it's bacon time. Fry up your bacon slices until they're golden and crispy, then transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain. Once they're cool, crumble them into bite-sized pieces. Delicious. Now for the custard. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs, heavy cream, a pinch of nutmeg, and a good amount of salt and pepper. Make sure it's well combined. When the crust is done, remove it from the oven and take out the parchment paper and pie weights. Scatter the crumbled bacon evenly over the bottom of the crust. Follow it up with the shredded Gruyere cheese. Gently pour the egg mixture over the bacon and cheese. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Now back into the oven it goes for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the custard is set. A good tip is to insert a knife into the center. If it comes out clean, it's done. Take your quiche out of the oven and let it cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This helps it set and makes it easier to cut. And there you have it. A perfect homemade Quiche Lorraine. It's creamy, savory, and absolutely delightful. Serve it with a fresh salad, or enjoy it on its own. Either way, your taste buds are in for a treat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe for more delicious dishes, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Bon appetit!
Food enthusiasts, today I'm taking you on a flavorful journey through the vibrant streets of Iran. If you've ever wondered about Middle Eastern cuisine, you're in for a treat. Iranian street food is not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a healthy delight. First up, let's talk about the magic of herbs and spices. Iranian cuisine is known for its rich use of fresh herbs like mint, parsley, and cilantro. These aren't just for flavor, they pack a punch of vitamins and antioxidants. One of my favorites is the aromatic saffron. It's not only the world's most expensive spice, but also a powerhouse of health benefits, from boosting mood to improving digestion. Now let's dive into some street food classics. Ever heard of sabzi cordon? It's a fresh herb platter served with every meal. Imagine a bunch of fresh greens, radishes, and walnuts. Simple yet incredibly refreshing. It's like a salad, but so much more interesting. Next, we have the mouth-watering kebab kubide. These are juicy minced meat kebabs seasoned with turmeric, onion, and black pepper, then grilled to perfection. The best part? It's often served with grilled tomatoes and a squeeze of lime, making it a balanced meal with protein and vitamins. How about a snack? You can't miss kuku sabzi, an herbaceous omelet packed with fresh parsley, cilantro, dill, and a hint of fenugreek. It's light, nutritious, and bursting with flavors. Perfect for a quick bite on the go. And for those with a sweet tooth, let's not forget about falude. This is an ancient Persian dessert made of thin vermicelli noodles mixed in a semi-frozen syrup of sugar and rosewater. Topped with lime juice or sour cherry syrup, it's a refreshing and healthy way to satisfy your sugar cravings. But Iranian street food is not just about the individual dishes. It's about the experience, the bustling markets, the aroma of sizzling grills, and the warm hospitality of the vendors. It's a culinary adventure that nourishes both the body and soul. So why choose Middle Eastern cuisine? Aside from being absolutely delicious, it's one of the healthiest diets out there. The emphasis on fresh ingredients, lean meats, and heart-healthy oils like olive oil means you're not just indulging in good food, you're also taking care of your health. There you have it. A quick dive into the healthy and delightful world of Iranian street food. Next time you're looking for a tasty and nutritious meal, think Middle Eastern. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep eating well.
بابوی دیسی و جوجه کباب میفهمی تهران طعمی میان زعفران نون و پنیر صفن بازار پر از رنگ و عطر پر شده از زندگی هر لقمه ای طوفان شادی تو مفرن دستا بالا با شیرینی قلم کار رقصی توی دلمون با چای و حلوا لبخند بر لبا گرم مثل پلو میریم جلو
این مرغا کاملا پخته شده خورشتمون جا افتاده این مرحله آخرشه که بهش کریم اضافه میکنیم
بستنی زعفرانی لذت ناب آجی خندان و شور زدن موج دریا از بامیه تا کلم توش و شیرینی همه بازار شب چراغان میزنی به دل شهاب طعم کشمش و برنج بوی نون تازه هر غرفه یه قصه هر لقمه بزم میان ادویه ها زرچوبه و سماق احساس زندگی تو هر گوشه و کنج
Hi everyone. Today we talk about flavorful wellness, Mediterranean and Middle Eastern herbs and spices for healthy cooking. Historically, these spices and herbs have played a pivotal role in trade and cultural exchange across the Mediterranean and Middle Eastern regions. Za'atar, with its regional variations, has been a staple of Middle Eastern culinary traditions for centuries. Its components, particularly sumac and sesame seeds, were widely traded in ancient bazaars, powered by caravan routes that traversed the deserts, connecting the Levant with the Arabian Peninsula and beyond. Sumac, prized for its tangy flavor, was a sought-after commodity in the Roman Empire, where it was used not only as a culinary ingredient but also for medicinal purposes. Its trade spanned from the eastern Mediterranean to North Africa, making it a favorite in spice markets. Mint, adored for its refreshing properties, has a long history tied to the Silk Road. This fragrant herb was exchanged between cultures as both a culinary treasure and a medicinal remedy, becoming integral in both Western and Eastern traditions. Cumin, one of the oldest traded spices, was highly valued in ancient Egypt and the Indian subcontinent. It was transported along maritime routes of the Red Sea and Arabian Gulf, as well as overland trade paths, cementing its position in dishes across the Mediterranean to South Asia. Oregano, native to the Mediterranean, was a cherished commodity among Greeks and Romans who believed in its health benefits and culinary appeal. It was frequently traded across the Aegean Sea and integrated into European cuisine through its trade routes. Turmeric, originating in South Asia, traveled to the Mediterranean through the spice routes, connecting India with the Middle East and Europe. Its vibrant color and medicinal properties made it a prized addition to both kitchens and apothecaries, influencing culinary traditions far and wide. The enduring trade of these spices and herbs not only enriched culinary practices, but also fostered cultural connections, weaving a fragrant thread through the history of civilizations. Thank you for watching.